Hi, welcome to the HardReset.Info channel. In this video I'll show you how to clean your Xiaomi Redmi Note 11s USB charging port using home remedies. So remember one rule: never use metal objects to clean the connector so as not to damage the moisture protection and the charging mechanism itself. I suggest you use an old toothbrush which you no longer use. So as you can see, there is a piece of paper in my charging port that is preventing the charging cable from going all the way into the connector. And now we are going to clear it. So to start, open your cover, take the cover off and insert the one part of the brush in your port. Then try to gently pry this dirt out. So cool, that's all. Thank you for watching, like this video, subscribe to the our channel, and bye, see you.